Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about how to create the repos using the data flows. So in the previous session, we have already talked about how to create the data flows inside the different workspaces in Power BI service. Now in this session, we will take a look at how can we connect to that data flow and we can consume it for the purpose of report creation. So for that, what I'll do is I will open the Power BI desktop. Once I open the Power BI desktop, over here, I'm having the option of get data. So click on the get data option, and over here you will find the option of data flows. So click on the data flows. Now it is showing me the navigator, but the first time you will click on the data flows, it would ask you to sign it. So basically you have to sign in with the same credentials that you used when you were on the Power BI services and you were creating that data flows. After you have signed in with the same credentials, it would be showing you this option of the environments and the workspaces. So if I just expand this environment and see what is inside it, so it is empty. Then I have workspaces option. So here I was having two premium workspaces. The one was the skill squad reports and the other one was skill squad 2. In both of them we have kept our skill squad's global superstore dataset, which was basically a data flow. And inside that data flow we had two tables. One was orders, the other one was region head. So you can see I have got these two tables over here. Now whenever you are selecting any table, it would show you the preview. Since I didn't loaded the complete table because I didn't want to take a lot of time just uploading it. So basically this is how your data would be looking like. And again you can click on the other one and load it. After you have loaded it, let's see what are the different options available. So let's say if we go in the model view, and you can see it has automatically created a relationship between them. So we don't need to worry about the relationship creation. It would try to automatically identify it. And still, if you are using the data flow, you can come over here in the model view and you can create a relationship between the two tables or the other tables that you have. If you go in the table view, still you would be able to see the tax operations over here. If I go in the report view, I would be able to see all those columns that are associated with this data set. So let's say that I want to create a visualization over here. So I will click on the bar chart for now, and let me create one for the category wise sales. So for that I will click on category and then I will click on sales. So it is giving me the category wise sales over here. Again, as per my need, I can customize this visual. So let's say that I want to turn on the data labels, I want to change the color, x-axis, y-axis. So I can do it with the help of those options. So after you have created your report, let me add few more visuals over here. Let me add the cards over here for the total sales, the total quantity of items that has been sold. So let me copy this. Let's copy this card over here and pull some different values over here. For example, instead of sales, let me put the profit over here. In the next one, let me put the quantity. And in the next one, let me put the discount that has been given. So I am still about to customize these visuals. I cannot directly publish them, but I'm just giving you an idea on how to create these visuals. So after you have created these visuals, let's say that if you want to publish this report, so you can publish it on Power BI services. Now, what is the beauty of this? So now think that your data is online. Any new value that is coming over there would be then going into your data flow, and with the help of that data flow, the refresh is happening. So now your data flow is consisting of the new values that are coming in, and with those new values you are creating these reports. So this data would be also changing because this is not the data which is has been stored as a copy in the Power BI. This is basically pulling up the data from the web. So if you go in the refresh options over here, you will find out that whenever you just refresh it, it pulls out the latest data. So this is one of the features that you can use in the Power BI desktop to work with the live data or the data which is constantly being changed. And this would be very helpful in creating the reports where the data are changing at a great pace and the user wants to see the updated values of it. So this is the basic idea of how you create a report with the help of the data flow. The only idea was to click on the get data option and connect with the data flows. The rest of the things we have already covered, so the rest options would be same as we did previously. This was all for this session. Thank you.